Welcome to the Learning Horizon. In this video, we will learn about even and odd numbers. Every number in math is either an even number or an odd number. Let's begin with even numbers. Even numbers are the numbers that can be split into pairs, that is groups of 2. For example, number 4. We have 4 kids here. If I split them into groups of 2, there is none who is alone. So 4 is an even number. Now let's talk about odd numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers that cannot be paired equally. There is always a 1 which is left alone. For example, number 3. We have 3 kids here. If I split them into groups of 2, there is this one kid who is left alone. So 3 is an odd number. Even numbers are the numbers that can be split into pairs, that is groups of 2. Odd numbers cannot be paired equally and 1 is always left alone. Now let us look at each number from 1 to 10 and identify even and odd numbers. Let's begin with 1. This kid here is alone with no friends. So 1 is an odd number. Another kid joins him. Now we have 2 kids. Here they have formed a group of 2 with no one left alone. So 2 is an even number. Let's look at next number, that is 3. Here we have 3 tigers. Let us split them into groups of 2. Again this tiger is left alone. So 3 is an odd number. Let us look at number 4. We have 4 balls. We will create groups of 2. Nothing left. So 4 is an even number. Number 5. We have 5 dogs here. Group them into 2s, 1 left alone. So 5 is an odd number. Number 6. That is, we have 6 flowers. Again, group them into 2s. Nothing left. So 6 is an even number. Number 7. We have 7 oranges here. Again, group them into 2s. 1 is left alone. So 7 is an odd number. Number 8. 8 butterflies. Groups of 2. Nothing left. So 8 is an even number. Number 9. 9 birds. Groups of 2. 1 left. So 9 is an odd number. Number 10. 10 dots. Groups of 2. Nothing left. So 10 is an even number. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are all odd numbers. Because when we split them into groups of 2, 1 is always left alone. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are all even numbers because they all can be split into exact groups of 2. We have seen how we identify if a number is odd or even for numbers 1 to 10. Now let us see for the numbers that are greater than 10. For numbers greater than 10, to find if it's even or odd, look at the end. Example 36. This is the number at the end. 6 is an even number. So 36 is an even number. Let us look at some more examples. Here 3 is a number at the end. 3 is an odd number. So 23 is an odd number. 8 is an even number. So 98 is an even number. 9 is an odd number. So 79 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number. So 45 is an odd number. 2 is an even number. so 12 is an even number. 4 is an even number, so 34 becomes even number. 6 is an even number, so 56 is an even number. 7 is an odd number, so 87 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number, so 75 is an odd number. 1 is an odd number, so 61 is odd number. Now look at these numbers 50 and 20. They are both tens numbers. Since 10 is an even number, 50 and 20 are also even. So if a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, they are all even numbers. If a number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, it is an odd number. So let us now summarize. If you are an even number, you always have a pair. So if you look around, your friend will always be there. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are all even numbers. But if you are an odd number, there is always a lonely one. He looks around to find his friend, but he is the only one. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are all odd numbers. For numbers bigger than 10, to find if it's even or odd, look at the end. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at the end is an even number. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at the end is an odd number. If you have any additional queries or suggestions, please do leave us a comment below. Do not forget to check the description below for additional information on anchor charts and worksheets.